Missouri Gulch trailhead to hike up a couple miles and then camp and summit Missouri Mountain in the morning. I did hike up Belfort and Oxford at the end of June, but I did not get Missouri then, so middle of August, I think it's probably a good time for that. About a 3-hour drive, I have made it to the trailhead. So I am going to start heading up. Getting dark, and man, this trail starts off steep. Yo, dear. Hello. Not gonna lie, those deer's eyes spooked me a little bit. But if the deer's around here, that means I can't smell anything. That might be a good thing. This is it. So I found a camping spot. Seems to be okay, good enough. Not gonna be here for too long. So it's about bedtime. Good morning. It's about 4:45. Been on the trail about a half hour now since my campsite. Not quite to the steep bit yet, but this is a good little warm up. I'm glad I came up earlier last night. Got some really good Milky Way photos, which I'm pretty happy with. So I made it to the fork from Missouri Mountain. Now it is uphill for about 1,300 feet. Starting to get some light though, which is nice. Final push up to the top of the ridge, and then it's smooth sailing across the top to the summit. Whew. 5:45, going for an hour and a half. I'm tired, but motivated. Made it to the top of the ridge. Still a little bit of uphill over there, but not nearly as much. And look at all this. You see Huron and La Plata, and Albert. It is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Wow. That is it. Summit of Missouri Mountain. Oh, that last bit was rough. Whew. Good stuff. It's beautiful up here. Wow. But probably about time to head down. Gotta pack up my camp and drive back home. back to camp. I'll have to pack up and see if everything fits in the backpack. And the rest of the way down shouldn't be too bad. So this is what my campsite looks like in the daytime. Not bad. Well, I did a terrible job of repacking my bag, but it'll work till we get back to the car. Don't have too much farther till that. That is Missouri Mountain. I was tired going into this one, but I'm glad I made it. 10-ish miles, I think. 4,400-ish feet again. Pretty good.